So here's how you can make notes on the Word document on the iPad. So let me get started. And if this is your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe and become part of the community so you that way never miss anything important. So of course you should know that we have the option to just browse our document either in the email, but most likely inside of the Files app or whatever else you have them. And in order to make some notes on your documents, what you have to do is not really click on it right away to, use some kind of app which opens it, but instead I would recommend you to hold down on it and see what comes up, because you should have the ability to see, for example, the quick look option. And when you get it there, you have the ability to see some different things, right, compared to, for example, opening through the official Microsoft Word app. And as you can see, some of the options which appear are, for example, the quick look option. So I can tap on the quick look and it doesn't really leave the app. It just goes through the interface of the Files app and you can browse the thing in a full screen or whatever. And it depends on the document type. If it's a PDF, you can find the markup tool to add some writing on the top of that. But if it's Word, we don't really have that option. So with the words, we have the ability to either convert it to a different file format. So for example, if I click on open with, I can open it up through a PDF editor, which I have ready in here, or, Adobe Acrobat also works with the PDFs. And I essentially turn this Word document into a PDF, which will have the ability for me to draw on the top of it, right? So I can do it this way, or the simplest way is also to take a screenshot and also just save an image where you're going to write some stuff on the top of the actual picture. So it depends, but I believe that the best way would be to simply convert it to a PDF using one of these methods, and in it there you will have the ability to essentially just start drawing on the top of that, because that's like the point behind that. But let me know in the comments below if you managed to actually make it work and function on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the future tutorials as well.